I wanted to share with you how I made a very affordable but cool DIY headgear headdress, whatever you call it. I used a rubber sheet for the base and created a pattern that suits my face. Feel free to use any type of sheet that is available to your place, like EVA foam, yoga mat, or even a simple cardboard. That works too. So if you can see, the shape looks like a letter M. So go ahead and sketch a pattern first and then try to cut it nicely. Then try to measure it on your face so it'll fit on you. Adjust your pattern if you feel that it looks uneven, just like what I'm doing. Once your pattern is ready, you can mold it using a heat gun. But since my heat gun was missing at this moment, I skipped that part and covered it with the red eco bag. There are a lot of options to use like leather cloth, metallic paper, but since we're maximizing our resources, I found this scrap effective. How about you? What do you prefer to use? Let me hear that on the comment section below. So I cut it out and stick it with glue gun. Subscribe, hit the bell button and all to get more updates on my cosplay videos soon. This video was a documentation from my previous livestream. I share how I prepared my Scarlet Witch version, so please bear with me if you see me talking on the phone. So let's get started on with applying your foundation of choice. After applying the smoky eye, contour your face, add blush on, and red lipstick. If you want a full version of this one, let me hear it on the comment section so I can make one for you. Proceeding to this part, I used a face paint as a substitute to give an illusion of Scarlet's suit. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. So please subscribe and hit that bell button and all to get more updates on my cosplay videos. Check out my other videos to see some of my previous works too. This is Margaux Winn of Transform.